Incoming message.
This is how to be happy in quarantine.
Eating is a way of comfort for me and makes me super happy and bright all day. This is how I make my favorite flavored coffee. First, I take 2 tablespoons of my Ovaltine and put it in the cup.
Hello, hummingbird, oh, can you hear my song? Can you tell me?
Second, add 2 tablespoons of creamer, which is my mistake because the coffee goes first before the creamer.
Feel like I'm walking oh so aimlessly.
And lastly, add this home blend coffee with 2 tablespoons as well.
Check. And so I'm sitting at my table, staring at my bowl of Cheerios, dreading the full day routine that's ahead of me.
Add cereals if you want.
Checking all my clothes, starting the car, thinking, is this what I want to be? To be a product of the next new trend. To be a
Eating gives us a type of escape to all our problems. Make sure to eat the way you want and make sure that you won't get sick.
Find your independence.
Hydration is always the key to success, so take 12 glasses of water depending on your doctor's recommendation. Growing up, I've always been in love with different patterns and clothing. In this time of isolation, pick out odd pieces from your closet and try to assemble something out of your comfort zone. I never really tried the vintage style before. I prefer wearing colorful looks in school, so trying this style made me feel a lot better. But to be honest, I'm radiating that strict odd professor that's hot but has no boyfriend type of vibe. But regardless, I'm pleased with the results. Self-care is just next to self-love because hello, your boyfriend cannot do your skincare. Self-care is composed of a variety of steps in order for you to feel that inner peace that you need. The easiest form of self-care is taking care of your physical health. Never forget sunscreen so you won't suffer from the radiations of the sun. Plus, it's an easy step to add in your skincare regimen. If applying makeup makes you happy, then do it. Makeup for me is a creative outlet that makes me more happy each day. The satisfaction of applying colors in your face is something I always love. Take all the opportunities to try different looks and make sure to blend and don't blend in. I love instant influencer for the moment. Who do you think is going to win? Comment down below. Reading a book never ceases to make a person happy, terrified, sad, or the other way around. Try to read a book that fits the mood that you wanted to achieve. Read some sci-fi or mystery as well. Reading a book lets you enter a dimension and explore without the use of physical contact. Being in this time of isolation, whether you're living alone or with your families and friends, having a contact with your loved ones is important. Being physically isolated in a room or a house makes you feel sad, so it's important to have contact with your loved ones. An accompaniment gives you a lively reassurance that in times like this, you are never alone. I hope that you learned something new today. Keep safe and be sure to subscribe. See you in my next journey. Bye!